Now, in the topic cubes and cube root, we are going to find the cube roots of various numbers. And what is meant by cube root or how to find, we are going to see now. Here, cube root, that is finding the cube root, is the inverse operation of finding cube. Finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. For example, 2 cube is equal to 8. This cube of 2 is 8, and that the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. And we write cube root of 8 in symbolic form as shown on the blackboard here. So cube root of 8 is equal to 2, and the symbol here, radical sign is shown, and 3 is written here. Here 3 is cube root. If there is no number, then it is square root. If there is 4, then it is 4th root. Here, so this symbol denotes the cube root. Now consider the following examples. Here statement is given and its inference is written. Means 1 cube is equal to 1, and cube root of 1 is 1. Means 1 cube is 1, or cube of 1 is 1, and cube root of 1 is 1. Again, here 2 cube is 8, and therefore cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Here cube root of 3. Cube of 3 is 27, and cube root of 27 is 3. 4th cube is 64, and cube root of 64 is 4. Now cube of 5 is 125, and cube root of 125 is 5. 6 cube or cube of 6 is 216, and therefore cube root of 216 is 6. Similarly, cube of 7 or 7 cube is equal to 343, and therefore cube root of 343 is 7. 8 cube is 512, and therefore cube root of 512 is 8. Like this, cube of 9 cube is 729, and therefore cube root of 729 is 9. Also 10 cube is 1000, and therefore cube root of 1000 is 10. So here it is given that finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding the cube. So some examples we have seen here. Now we will see some examples how to find the cube root of the larger number. Here, find cube root through prime factorization method. Means finding the cube root through prime factorization method. Here one example is given that find cube root of 3375 by prime factorization method. So first of all, I have factorized here 3375. Means if we divide 3375 by 3, we get quotient 1125. Again 1125 is divisible by 3, we get quotient 375. 375 is divisible by 3, we get quotient 125. 125 is divisible by 5. Then we get quotient 25. 25 is divisible 5, and 5 if we divide it 5, then we will get question 5. Again 5 is divisible by 5 and 5 ones are 5. In this way, the factors of 3375 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 3375 can be written in the factorization form, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 3 into 3 is triplet of 3 as well as triplet of 5 we got here. So triplet of 3 can be written as 3 cube into triplet of 5 can be written as 5 cube. In this way 3375 is equal to, here both have same exponent, so we can write here 3 into 5 bracket cube and 3 5s are 15 cube. And in this way 3375 cube root of 3375 is equal to only 15, because if we take cube root of 15 cube, then 3 will vanish or 3 will eliminated here and we will get only 15. Now find the cube root of 13,824. Here if we factorize 13,824, then we will get here 2 9 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 3 times 3. Now 13,824 can be written in factorization form as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 9 times into 3 into 3 into 3. Now if we make the triplet of each number, that is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, again 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, again 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, and 3 into 3 into 3 times. Here triplet of 2 is there, so 2 cube into second triplet of 2, so again 2 cube, third triplet of 2, so again 2 cube into the last is triplet of 3, so we can write it as 3 cube. Now 13,824 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 bracket cube, and if we take cube root, then 3 will be, we can remove 3 and only get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and therefore cube root of 13,824 is only 24. In this way, this is very simple method of finding the cube root of any number by factorization method. Now here there is one more example, that is find the cube root of 1,75,616. Here if we factorize 1,75,616, then we will get the factors 2 9 times and 7 3 times. Again we can write here 1,75,616 is equal to, here 9 times 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Again we have to write these into triplet, or we can write here taking cube root of both the sides, we get cube root of 1,75,616 is equal to cube root of all the factors here I have written in the radical sign, and then getting the triplet of each number. Here 3 times 2, again 3 times 2, again 3 times 2 and 3 times 7. Then here since we have to make triplet, this radical or number in the radical sign indicates that make triplet here. So for the first triplet we get only 2, for the second triplet again 2, for the third triplet we get 2, and for the last triplet of 7 we get only 1 7. And after multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, we will get the cube root of 1,75,616, that is equal to 56. Again there is one more example we have solved here, that is find the cube root of 27,000. So here I have factorized here 27,000, and the factorization, after factorization we get here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5, and if we write 27,000 in factorization form, we will get 27,000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5, and again taking cube root on both sides, we will get your cube root of 27,000 is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Again taking, since we have to find cube root, we must take triplet here, and for one triplet means triplet of 2 we get only 2, for the triplet of 3 we get only 3, and for the triplet of 5 we get only 5. After multiplication we get here 2 3s are 6 and 6 5 are 30. In this way the cube root of 27 is 30, and in this way our topic cubes and cube root is finished.